is the difference between Shopify and Shopify POS? Are you thinking of setting up a shop on the web but don't know which platform to choose? Today, we'll be discussing the differences between Shopify and Shopify POS so that you can make an informed decision. Or you can click the link down below to speak with an expert about getting Shopify POS. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that allows anyone to set up an online store quickly, easily, and affordably. It offers features such as customizable themes, analytics tools, and integration with other apps. With Shopify, customers can purchase goods from all over the world in their preferred currency. On the other hand, Shopify POS extends these services into the physical realm. It provides businesses with an iPad or Android tablet device to replace their traditional cash register. This allows them to process credit cards and keep track of inventory in real time. Additionally, Shopify POS facilitates order management by allowing customers to pay for items at checkout and receive order confirmations directly from the app itself. One of the major differences between Shopify and Shopify POS is that only retail stores have access to the latter. While both solutions support multiple payment methods, including PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay, only physical stores are able to use Square payments and accept gift cards using their POS system. Furthermore, while both platforms support loyalty programs, only merchants using Shopify POS can offer customers rewards based on purchase history, as well as discounts for items purchased in large quantities or at certain times of day per year. Moreover, unlike its competitor Wix stores, which has limited product customization options, Shopify storefront supports numerous product variants, so merchants can diversify their offerings according to customer demands without too much effort. On top of this, it comes with APIs, enabling deeper integrations with external apps, such as accounting software QuickBooks or marketing automation tool MailChimp. In conclusion, if you're looking for an industry-leading digital commerce solution, then look no further than Shopify. However, if you own a physical store and need sophisticated point-of-sale capabilities, then it makes sense to opt for the more advanced solution, Shopify POS. Click the link below to speak with an expert about getting Shopify POS.